Hello, welcome to CAPSTONE 2025 round 1, the guide for own decision to win the top result. I show you the detail now. You see on the screen the round 1 here, we have 5 products. Any team is the same, right? So this example from team C, but you can apply for all the team from A, B, C, D, E, F, right? So 5 teams. So before we start, you need to look at step 1. Round 1 to own decision to get the top result, right? So the first, we will check the industry condition report here. Industry condition report, I show you. You check the industry condition report here. So the CAPSIM started with 5 segments: low-end, traditional, high-end, performance and size, traditional, low-end, high-end, performance and size. And each round we need to update the product by increase the performance and reduce size. Remember, increase the performance and reduce size for all the products in the 5 product segments for 8 rounds here. So they have table 2 calculate the table for us, but we need to update with table 3 here to increase performance and reduce size one time more to move the product to the ideal spot to sell best. So ideal spot. So you can also download the free Excel file here to I have calculated that already, so already for you. So this is the ideal spot. This table 2 from the industry condition report. This table 2 combined with table 3. This part is table 3, so this the ideal spot for 8 rounds. So now we are going to input the number for round 1. Input the number for round 1. You can see that 5.7 and 14.3. 14.3. Low end we don't have to update. We update one time in round 3 because they require 7 years to sell best. This high end always one round behind, so it's 8.9 and 11.2. 8.9, 11.2. And for the performance you get for 10.4 and 15.3. Remember, sometimes you cannot copy the number because the game may change the number, but basically not change very much, but they can change sometimes. So do not copy the number. You need to check industry condition report from your game to make sure you get the right number. If you are not sure, you send me the email, right? So you see the revision date here, the same year the good from June to October is okay. So now we develop one more product so we can sell better in later round. So this low end 4.5, 15.5 and 14,000 you see low end. So that's all decision for R&D. Now we look at the on 10 winning tips again. You see the industry condition report and use the free Excel. I can download the free Excel file to calculate R&D for each round. And I have shown you update R&D. We add one new product in round 1, 2 and 3. We can double the sale and double the profit from round 4 to lead the game on round 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 with top sale and top profit. Now we are going to do the marketing and set the prices I saw. So for the marketing here, right, you see the marketing the price here, but we need to know the best price. So we check the report here. You see 5 segments for traditional, low end, high end, performance and size here. Traditional, low end, high end, performance size. So traditional first, right? You see traditional first, right? So you look at traditional, you know the price here. Traditional, the price, the best price. The price range from 20 to 30 and the best price 28, but their costs not much, so we can set 29.5. And for the low end is different. The price very important, right? The price here 53% purchase decision, so we need to set the low price, so we set that 20.5. we reduce 50 cents to maintain the top selling, right? So and now we move to the high end here, right? High end, you know the price here not important, so we set the price 39.5. okay. And for the performance here, we know the price range from 25 to 35, but not so important because accounts for only 19%, so we set the price 34.5. And also for the size segment, right, you know the price here totally not important from 25 to 35, so we set the price 34.5. That's the reason why we set the price. And each round we reduce 50 cents, right? And if you want to double check, you can check download the Excel file here. I put in the blog under the video in the links, right? You can download that anytime. If you can, send me the email, I send you the file. So now the price for first round 29.5, 2050, 39.5, 34.5 and 34.5. And now we are going to check to set the promotion budget is very important. I show you the tip here. The tip for promotion budget, you know that this traditional segment, the first segment, that accounts for 32% of market share, right? And the lower end accounts for 39%. These two most important segments, so we set 2,000 for that. 2,000 is the max. We should not set more because after that it's not effective, not effective of promotion and sales reduction. So this account for 39-40% of market share. This account for 32% of market share. So we can use more promotion and sales. The other high end here, you know, even they grow very fast, but the market share is low. 11%, performance 8%, and size only 8%. Even they grow fast, but they start very low performance market share, so not so big market share after a few rounds. So we spend more for these two first segment. Okay. Remember, competitors also watch this video, so you need to decide on your own a little bit. And now we set decision for forecast, right? It's very important. I show you for forecast. So I show you the first few tips here, and now we are going to check tip number 5, calculate the sales forecast. We come back to the game. I show you report number 4. We are here, right? We are here. So we use this number to calculate the sales forecast, right? We also use Excel file again, so you can always download the free Excel file to calculate like I am doing on the screen, right? So I show you the strategy. You can use the number sometime, but basically you do not copy the number because the number may change from round to round, from game to game, and competitors also see this, so you need to adjust a little bit to match your decision, right? So this unit will show this inventory, right, and demand here, and now we have the sales forecast here. You can add from 10% to 50% to make sure you have enough product to sell. In case you are selling best, you will not out of the stock, right? So now we input the number of sales forecast 1636, right? You see, and 2954. Double check that to make sure you input the right number, 638, and also you get 643, and also this. If you are watching this, I'm sure you win the game 80%, right? You need to adjust a little bit to match your competitive condition because competitors also see this. So you know the strategy, you adjust a little bit, right, to make sure you understand what you are doing. And now we input the number of the production. We have sales forecast here, you have inventories here, so we set the production schedule, right? So now you put in the number 147. After use the sales forecast, deduct the inventory, we have this number, right, 147, and 2915 you have that, 598, 565, and also you have 495, right? 495. And now for the new production, that's own calculation, right? For the new production, we put in the number, right? Low end, right? It will go very fast here, right? So, and also we increase automation to save the cost and increase the both product margin per unit, and also we can increase contribution margin here. You see that with higher automation for that. Now we don't use this capacity, so we sell some surplus capacity, right? We sell some surplus capacity, and then we have enough budget now here, right? We sell that, right? So we have this one, we can buy 200 here, and also because we have more demand, so 2,800 is the max we can produce. 200% of the 2 times of the capacity, right? We can produce the first ship and the second ship, so we can produce 200% of this number. So now that's only decision for the production, and now we go to HR. We have no decision for HR, so we add new capacity. Remember to do that, and sell some surplus capacity and increase automation. Now we go to HR and finance to use the 3 sources of. So we go back for HR. We have decision for recruiting and training hour, but that may started from round 3. And now we go to finance, the last but also very important decision, right? In early round, we need to issue the stock. So we issue the stock, right? To get enough fund for expansion of production and promotion and sales, right? We pay some very small dividends, right? And also we borrow the short term, and also we borrow the long term to make sure we have enough cash to operate, and we can avoid emergency loan. We can increase our account receivable to give 45 days to pay back, so we can have better condition for our customers, so we can sell better, right? So we check here from 30 million to 50 million is enough cash to operate and you can avoid emergency loan. So that's good. Now we check the income statement, right? The income statement here is a plan only, but you need to have a good plan first. So on the product bring some good profit, you see, and we have very high sales here, good contribution margin, 29%. We can increase up 5% each round, and we get some percent for the net profit. You know that we are spending a lot here on promotion and sales, and then later round we can double the sale and double profit each round. So that's a good plan. So again, this only season for round one Capsim 2025, only season for round one. You can watch the video again and again to know that. If you have any question, you send me the message, right? And with this strategy, you see that in round 1 to 3 we get good sale and good profit, but from round 4 we go up very fast. You go up very fast like this from round 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? In early round we invest, we just have good sale and profit, but from round 4 we double sale and double the profit each round when new product start selling, and we can lead the game much higher than all the competitors, right? A few more words. You should know at least you should know what you decision you set for each round. So I also put the lesson around here, so I show you the lesson we know after each round here. So the key question to win Capsim 99%, right? Understanding is equally important to winning the game. Of course, you win. You are watching the video here. I know you win the game, but understanding is important. So each round we need to know what decision to make for each round. I show you own decision, and what report to read, what part of the report to read, because many part of the report you can read the part I show you. You can take that again. If you do that, you win 50%. How to update the product, so what is long-term strategy to win, how to set the prices, what are the prices of competitors, right? How to calculate the sales forecast and sell inventory. So you know that you learn, you win the game important, but also we learn the game, right? Learn from the game. You win 80%. How to set decision for production and automation, how to set decision for HR, finance and TQM, you win, yeah, 99%. If you have any question, you send the email to wincapsim2012@gmail.com, or get the free support for round 1 and round 2 for Capsim 2025. Capsim 2025 here you I will set if you need the support, I will set the season for 8 rounds, and you can view and learn and train and adjust that to apply your strategy. You win the top result. The support fee you see on the screen, $40, and we can learn a lot. If you require the note for this season, it's okay. You can use WhatsApp to send question, right? If you have any question, 24/7, right? And also we can check the video guys in this YouTube channel, and explanation for all the rounds. It's not just 15 now, it's over 50 videos, right? 51 videos, right? You can see, right? 51 bits. Okay, thank you for watching. Good luck and success. If you have any question, you just send me the message.